Hey, what's up, guys? This is TWRP 99, and I'm going to show you how you can install custom recovery on your Android device. Whether it's a tablet or phone, pretty much you should be able to install custom recovery on it. Basically, in a nutshell, custom recovery allows you to modify, install files, flash files, and normally you cannot do that because the manufacturer doesn't want people messing with the devices and for security reasons. Um, but pretty much if you know what you're doing, custom recovery can be your best friend pretty much. And most people use it to flash ROMs and also to root the devices. Um, you will need you need your bootloader to be unlocked. There is different ways to unlock your bootloader. Some devices the bootloader cannot be unlocked at all. Just depends on the carrier and things like that. You can Google to see how to unlock your bootloader. If you need help, you can just comment down below the device, your device and the manufacturer, and I'll give you information. I'll give you a link where you can get the information to unlock your bootloader. I will show you in a second how you can check if your bootloader is unlocked. But let's just get started. So you're gonna need Minimum ADB Fastboot. This is gonna install software that's gonna allow you to communicate with your Android device using ADB and Fastboot commands, which is required for to flash the custom recovery. And also I'm using TWRP. Um, okay, so I'm going to include this in the description of the video as well. So you're just gonna open this up. Okay, then open the folder and then open the program. You can just extract it and then just open the program like that. I'm just doing this because I already have it installed. So you just click next, and I usually leave the stock, but if you want, you can have it install the program on your documents, downloads, or you can have it installed while in the desktop if it's really convenient for you. But for me, I just leave it stock. You hit next, and then you just go ahead and install it. And then after that, you're gonna get you're gonna get these files. So you're gonna navigate to where the program installed the ADB Fastboot. For me, it was the PC, Windows, and program files x86, and then minimum ADB and Fastboot, which is right here. So the program installed these files here. Gonna minimize that because we're gonna go back to that later. Um, so let me show you how to get the custom recovery. So um, I'm going to include a link to this website in the description of the video as well. When you're on this website, you're gonna click on devices, and it's very important that you pay attention. So for me, I'm using a Google Nexus 7 2013, which is made from Oasis, but you guys gonna have something different: Samsung, LG, Motorola. If you use a file that's not for your phone, you can damage your phone. So you really should pay attention to this and get the file for your specific device. Now, if you have a Google Nexus 7 2014 like me, and you follow this to a T, of course it's going to work because you have the same device as me. But most likely you're not. So you just go to your manufacturer. Mine is a Oasis, so I'm going to click on Oasis. Okay, and you can see there's different Nexus 7. Um, Even though it's Nexus 7, I can't just download wherever I want. I have to download a specific one. Mine is 2013 and it's Wi-Fi. This is the same, but it's 4G. So if I install the 4G one, I'm gonna run into some issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi one, and then you're gonna scroll down to download links, and you're gonna see America and Europe. If you're in America, if you download America, you download faster. Same thing applies to if you live in Europe. So I live in America, I'm gonna hit on America, and I'm gonna download the latest one, which is at this time of this video 3.7.0. Okay, you don't want to click and these two links here, not here. You will want to pay attention to this link right here. Okay, and then you click on it, and then it should start downloading. Okay, and okay, I have it right here. So I'm going to drag it to the desktop, make it much easier. Okay. All right. So now I just want to explain a little bit on the commands you're going to use to flash the custom recovery. So if you scroll down, the downloads is here, but if you scroll down more, you will see instructions. These are the commands I'm going to use. And you can see here this fastboot command, fastboot flash recovery TWRP.img. If you check the custom recovery file, is the name is different. So if you want to flash this with the name like this, you're gonna have to type in that exact name and then that img. To make it easier, we can just name our flash TWRP. So you go to your flash file, you're gonna rename it, and I'm just gonna wait until I get to TWRP, and that's it. You don't need to put .img because it's a way img file. If you do that, it's not gonna work. So now that our flash name is the same as this, we can use this command, and we will not run into any issues. So now I have my device plugged in. And we're gonna go to the ADB and Fastboot files. Actually, last thing, you want to drag your TWRP right into the boot. Hit continue. Okay. And actually, before we do that, there is one more thing that you want to do in order for you to be able to um, communicate with your device with the ADB and Fastboot. You want to make sure that USB debugging is enabled. So I'm gonna mirror my Android device so you can see it right here. Okay, and just give it a sec. Okay, let's try that again. Technology. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now you guys are gonna go to your app drawer and you're gonna scroll until you get the settings. Okay. And then you're gonna go all the way down. Okay, sorry about that. And then you're gonna go to about device or about tablet. You're gonna scroll down to your build number. You're gonna tap this 8 or 9 times, and then it's gonna say that you enable developer options, and then you're gonna go back, and then you're gonna see this new thing here, developer options. You're gonna click there, and you wanna make sure that developer option is on, and you want to make sure that your debugging is on as well. So now that we have that, we can communicate with our device. So we're gonna go back to the fastboot, and then you want to open cmd-here. Okay. So you want to make sure that we're able to communicate with our Android device. So you're gonna enter fastboot devices. Oh, sorry. Before that, we're gonna have to put in bootloader mode. We're gonna actually do ADB bootloader. So ADB. Okay. All right. So it just went to bootloader mode. So we're gonna enter fast boot devices, and we should be able to see something here. There you go. That's our device right over there. My device. Okay. And like I said, I was gonna show you how you can check your bootloader status. So I just want to check quickly so I don't mess up what I'm supposed to. Okay, I'm sorry. Just give it another second. My laptop is extremely slow. That's what you get. That's what you get for having Intel Platinum processor. Good battery life, but so slow. Okay. Okay. Fast boot OEM device info. Okay. So then I'm gonna go into fast boot OEM device info. Okay. So you see where it says device unlock. It says false. So that means that my bootloader is locked. If it says true, it will be unlocked. Strangely enough, my bootloader is unlocked on this device. I don't know why it's saying it's false. But it is unlocked, and I'll show you by flashing the custom recovery. But for you guys can rely on what you see here. On my Nexus 7, it's just weird. I don't know why it says that. Um, And actually, on the bootloader mode right now, it says unlocked. So, um, what you gonna do? It is what it is. Okay. So we're gonna go about to now flash the recovery. So you want to enter in want to make sure I don't fastboot flash recovery dot sorry fastboot flash recovery TWRP.img. So the easiest thing is just to copy it. Okay, and we're gonna paste it like that and hit enter. Give it a sec. Okay. All right. So now the next thing to do is on the last command, it says to reboot. So when it reboots, we have to enter recovery mode. Because if we don't enter recovery mode after we flash this, it's going to replace our new custom recovery back to stock, and then you're going to have to do the same thing all over again. So usually going into recovery mode, you hold like a key combo. You hold the power or the volume up, volume down. It really depends on your device. It's different for all the devices. Um, so on my Nexus 7 is the power button and then volume down until it goes to recovery mode after it reboots. If you guys want to know the sequence, the key combo sequence for your device, just comment down below your device, and I will give you information, or I'll give you a link to where you can get that information from. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my phone out. I'm gonna switch to my phone, and I'll see you guys on my phone. Okay, I'm here on my device. As you can see, it says unlock. So my bootloader is unlocked. I don't know why it says on the CMD that it's locked. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit the command to reboot this device. And for me, it's volume down and the power. So again, if you want to know the key combo for your device, you can Google it, or you can just comment down your device name, and then I'll give you information on how to, what you hold to get into recovery mode. So just to warn you, on this device, it might come back to the screen 2 or 3 times after it reboots. So now I'm gonna prep. I'm gonna make sure, and holding down the volume down power. Okay, it's doing that again. Okay, hold down power, volume down, and you should only do it one more time. Hold down power. Okay, it was actually 4 times. Okay, there's the recovery mode. It takes a few seconds. Sometimes you have to press the volume, and for you guys, it's gonna say swipe to allow modifications. You just hit swipe to allow, and this is the custom recovery. You can store, files. You can wipe, backup, restore, mount. So you can mount. You can transfer files when you're in this mode too, so you don't need to boot up. Advanced terminal, file manager. You can silo apps. You can do a lot of things with this, but what people need this mostly is to flash custom ROMs or to the device, which is the main purpose of it. So pretty much this is it. Again, if you guys want to know if your device the bootloader can be unlocked, or you want the key combos to go into recovery mode, or you need anything else, or you're confused about something, just leave a comment down below and I get to you. And if you like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe for another Android tutorials and videos. I got a few other tutorials down the line, so you definitely want to check it out. So anyway guys, good luck, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.